Hello, my name is Henry O. It is my pleasure to welcome you to online comprehensive English class. In this class, we are going to treat the topic, the grammatical functions of pronouns. Before I proceed, let me tell you something about my health. I am a blind man. I can't see what is written on the board. I can't see anything around me. I may not be able to touch what is on the board as I teach. So, you keep your eyes on the board, at the same time, pay attention. So sorry for any inconveniences this may cause you. Back to the topic for today's class, the grammatical functions of pronouns. By grammatical functions, we mean the roles words play in sentences. What are they actually doing in sentences? Are they showing the actions of the sentences? Are they performing or receiving the actions of the sentences? Are they describing persons, situations, things, or animals? Are they joining words, phrases, or clauses in the sentences? Are they showing the relationship between things? Are they serving as exclamations? Once we are able to give the correct answers to these questions, we get the correct grammatical functions of words. Often, the grammatical functions of words depend on the word classes, that is, the parts of speech to which they belong, and the positions they are placed in sentences. Like nouns, pronouns function as subjects of verbs or sentences, objects of verbs or sentences, objects of prepositions, and complements of verbs. The questions we need to answer at this point are: what is the subject of the verb or sentence? What is the object of the verb or sentence? What is the object of the preposition? What is the complement of the verb? Let's take these components of a sentence one by one. Subject of the verb or sentence. The subject of the verb or sentence is the person, animal, or thing that performs the action of the sentence. Let's take a look at sentences 1 and 2 on the board. Sentence 1, she wrote it for us. In this sentence, an action was performed, and that is wrote. Somebody performed this action. Who is that person? We don't know him. We don't know her by name because a pronoun is standing in the gap for the name. She is the pronoun used here. So, she is the subject of the verb wrote. So, if we were asked in an examination situation, what is the grammatical name of she in sentence 1? Our answer will be personal pronoun. Again, if we were asked, what is its grammatical function in the sentence? Our answer will be subject of the verb wrote. Sentence 2, we keep them in it. An action is performed in this sentence. What is the action? Keep Some persons perform this action. Who are these persons? We don't know them by name because a pronoun we is used in the place of the names. So we is the subject of the verb keep. So if we were asked, what is the grammatical name of we in sentence 2? That question simply requires us to identify the word class of we, that is the part of speech to which it belongs. Is it a noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, an adjective, a preposition, a conjunction, or an interjection? So our answer will be personal pronoun. Again, if we were asked, what is its grammatical function in this sentence? The examiner simply wants us to tell him or her what we is doing in this sentence. Is it receiving or performing the action of the sentence? Our answer will be subject of the verb keep. Now to the second grammatical function of pronouns, and that is object of the verb or sentence. The object of the verb or sentence is that person, thing, or animal that receives the action performed by the subject in a sentence. Let's go back to sentences 1 and 2. Sentence 1, she wrote it for us. An action was performed, that is, wrote, and something received the effect of this action, that is, it. We don't know what actually it is because the pronoun it is used in the place of the noun. Therefore, it is the object of the verb wrote in sentence 1. So, if we were asked, what is the grammatical name of it in sentence 1? Our answer will be personal pronoun. What is its grammatical function? Object of the verb wrote. Sentence 2, we keep them in it. An action is performed in this sentence. And what is that action? Keep. Some persons or things are affected by this action. What are those persons or things? We don't know them because a pronoun, them, is used in the place of the names. So, them is the object of the verb keep. In that case, them is a personal pronoun. That is its grammatical name. And its grammatical function in this sentence is object of the verb keep. Again, yes, lest I forget, sometimes the subject of the verb or sentence is not necessarily performing any action or receiving the effect of action performed by any subject. It may be the thing, person, or animal that this sentence is just giving us information about. Let's take a look at sentence 3 on the board. They are friends. They is the subject of this sentence. But if you look carefully, you see that it is not performing any action. Neither is it receiving the effect of action performed by any subject. The sentence is just telling us something about it. Now to the third grammatical function of pronouns, and that is object of the preposition in a given sentence. The object of the preposition is that word. It could be a noun or a pronoun that follows the preposition in a given sentence. The receiver, the carrier of the preposition. Let's take a look at sentence 1. She wrote it for us. The preposition in this sentence is for, and it is followed by the pronoun us. So, us is the object of the preposition for. If we were asked, What is the grammatical name of us in sentence 1? Our answer would be personal pronoun. What is its grammatical function? We will answer that it is the object of the preposition for. Sentence 2, we keep them in it. The preposition in this sentence is in, and in is followed by the pronoun it. Therefore, it is the object of the preposition in this sentence. So, the grammatical name of it here is personal pronoun, and its grammatical function is object of the preposition in. Before I continue, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Yes, subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share this video with others, and then follow me on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, or Facebook from 4 to 5 p.m. every Friday. On Facebook, follow me as Henry Omogbefe. Omogbefe is spelled O-M-O-G-B-E-F-E. You can as well access my Facebook, Pinterest, or Instagram account through the link on this channel. Okay, back to our topic, the grammatical functions of pronouns. Now let's take a look at the complement of the verb. The complement of the verb is that word that follows the main verb in a given sentence as a reference to the subject of the verb. Let's take sentence 4 for example. Jesus is he about whom the prophet spoke. In this sentence, Jesus, a proper noun, is the subject of the verb is, and he is following is immediately. So he is the complement of the verb is, as a word giving us additional information about the subject Jesus. If the complement is removed, you see that the sentence becomes incomplete. The complement makes the sentence a complete statement. With this, we come to the end of today's class. Thanks for being there. If you are not there, I cannot be here. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with others, drop a comment in the comment section, and then follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook from 4 to 5 p.m. every Friday. God bless you. That noise.